Hey dudes, today I'm back. Today I'm back with another video. This video I'll be showing you how to hack Subway Serve. Right now, Right now I'm just downloading the Subway Serve surveys. I don't know how it's called. Anyway, first go to Chum and search Lucky Patcher right there, and go on the second one, Lucky Patcher 6.3.7 for Android. Download, then you press it and you download it. I downloaded already, so I could go here, right here, my files, download history. Wait, where did it go? Oh, I have to download it again. Okay, just go here and then click download, and it'll start downloading. What? Okay, it's right here. Press OK, and boom, downloading Lucky Patcher. And you press it, and you press install, and you wait for it, and just X out all the things, and just go in the Lucky Patcher, and you have to wait for this thing to load. Okay, it's right now. You press Subway Serve and go to the third one, the open menu of patches, and then you do create a model file and go to the third one. Wait. Oh, go to the third one, the APK rebuild for an app and level enumeration. You press it and rebuild the app, and you wait like 2 minutes for this. Not 2 minutes, like 1 or 50 seconds.
Focus compass.
This is loading a lot. And guys, with this app you could hack like BTD battles, not Clash of Clans and Clash Royale. You could hack Drive School. You could hack Dump Ways to Die 2, and you could hack Minecraft Pocket Edition. And if this comes up, press go to file, then press the Subway Serve thing, and then just press the second one. And press OK, and then go to all and install. And you wait for the Subway Serve to install. And guys, remember, you could get like the highest score and just connect with your Facebook or with your friends, and you'll be like the first. And just go in. Okay, I'm waiting for it to load. It's right here. Let me just play, to just do this. If you just enter the game, you have to do this. Let's just kill ourselves. Because I just want to show you this really quick. Okay, then just go to add coins and this comes up. And if you want crane of keys, just press it and press yes, and boom, you see my my keys. And you could press the coins too. You could just press it, boom, and you could get a lot. If you press the third one, you don't have to press yes, it just buys it by itself, like you're spamming. And guys, don't say this is a fake, like don't. And this is a proof. I'll do it right now. Here, boom. As you can see, this is a proof. And look, 15, boom. Here, I'll get the new skateboard. Here. As you can see, it's easy hack, and if you like to see more hacks with these games, tell me on comments below, and tell me what hacks you know. And if you like this video, press that like button, subscribe my channel. Let's get like 10 likes and I'll make another video hacking other game, like whatever. Put it in the comments below what game I have to hack. And see you guys on other video.